In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule posts with Linktree. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from your Linktree dashboard to a fully scheduled post, ready to go live at the time you choose. I'll walk you through the flow, explain what you're seeing, and share simple tips to make the process smoother. Start on your Linktree dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log in and you'll land on your admin area where you normally manage links. On the left-hand side, look for Social Planner. This is Linktree's built-in tool for crafting and scheduling content across your connected social channels. Click Social Planner, then choose Schedule a Post. That opens the composer where all the action happens. Inside the composer, click Create Post. You'll immediately be prompted to pick the social platforms you want to publish to. Select the channels you use, whether that's one network or several, to make sure your content is tailored and sent to the right places. After selecting, click the platform icons to start building your post for each one. You can switch between platforms here, which is handy if you want slightly different text or media per channel. Next, add your media. Click the plus sign, choose image or another file type, select the file from your computer, and click Open. You'll see a preview load so you can confirm it looks the way you expect. If you're posting to multiple platforms, double-check the crop and orientation so it suits each channel's format. Now, type your post, add your caption, keep it clear, and make sure any links you mention are accurate. If you prefer, write a slightly different version for each platform to match the tone and character limits. This is also a good moment to proofread and check for mentions or hashtags you want to include. When your content looks right, move on to scheduling. Choose the option to schedule, then select Custom Time. This lets you pick the exact moment your post should publish. Select the date and time that best fits your audience. Keep time zones in mind, especially if your followers are global. Many accounts see better engagement during weekday mornings or early evenings, but use what you know about your audience. Finally, click Schedule Post. You'll get confirmation that it's queued. You can return to the social planner if you need to review or adjust the timing before it goes live. That's it, your post is now set to publish automatically. Thanks for watching and enjoy having your Linktree content go out right on schedule.